Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card today using elements from the March 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I'm going to use the circle fronted card just so that I've already got a circle on it. And I'm going to use the greenery, leafy, flowery stamp and the scatter dot stamp from the kit, the small scatter dots. And I'm using the Just a Note from the Simply Said. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use my Granny Apple Green ink, and I am going to stamp this around the circle. And I took 1/8 of an inch off each side so that it's 5 1/4 by 4, but the circle's still kind of relatively in the middle. So I am just inking these up, and the circle isn't quite centered on this, but that's okay. Just going to keep adding, and I'm not too worried about those crossing because I'm going to use the greeting die cut to cover up the center. So I'm just coming around, stamping the flowers around like that. Okay. And it looks a mess. It will not be a mess later on. Okay, I am just going to do the Just a Note on the greeting, but I'm turning it over and I'm using the back like that. And the reason I'm using the paper from the kit is because I'm using the card front from the kit, and the whites don't match up, and so it was just more simple for me to just use the back of the greeting. And I'm just adding just a little bit of Berry Burst ink just around the edge. You can hardly see it, but it's just going to be enough that it will showcase it a little bit from the middle. So when it goes down, it'll go like that, and you can still see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scatter dots, and we are going to add scatter dots to the card front, just around the flowers. I'm not intentionally putting dots on the flowers, but I just want to fill in that space, add that little bit of color in there. So just going around, adding in those dots wherever I think we need some. Okay, looks pretty good. I might actually put another set up there and some more over here like this. Okay, then I'm going to dimensionalize this piece in the middle just to give it a little bit more interest. There we go. And then we're going to use the holographic resin dots, the tiny, tiny ones, because the flowers are really small, and we're just going to add some of those in. So this is going to go right down in the middle like this, making sure that I cover up that circle. Okay, so let's grab some of these really small ones. I'm going to pop one down here like this. And what I'm doing is I'm feeling to see where the dimensionals are so that I'm not putting it right on top of the dimensional. And then I'm going to add some of these just around the outside. Lots of blingy bling on this one. Nothing wrong with a little bit of bling. And so we'll pop this one out here, and maybe we'll add another one up there. Okay. And of course I put the bling on before I put this on the card base. So I'm just going to put glue on the card base itself. And if you don't have the holographic resin dots, you can absolutely use the ones from the kit. I just wanted to really echo the green in this. And the holographic resin dots almost pick up a little bit of pink as well. So that is another alternate card using elements from the March 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit.